Good morning, children. Today, in the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements, I will teach you merits and demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. Description of Mendeleev's periodic table. Children, Mendeleev was the first to introduce the terms groups and periods in his periodic table. There were 8 groups. 8 vertical columns represents 8 groups in the periodic table. In group number 1 to 7, you can see here they are further subdivided into group 1A, 1B, group 2, A, B, group 3, A, B, till group 7, it is divided subgroup A and B. Whereas group number 8, it consists of 3 elements together. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel. These 3 elements are placed together in one group, group 8. Now, there are 6 horizontal rows represent 6 periods in the periodic table. As in my previous video, already I told, while arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic masses in the periodic table, Mendeleev emphasized 2 factors in order to overcome the Newland's law of octave. The first factor, increasing order of atomic masses, and second, similar chemical properties. Okay, so in order to arrange or make sure that the elements having similar properties fell in the same vertical column or group, Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. He left gaps below boron, below aluminium and below silicon. He left the gap because when he found the elements with the higher atomic mass having not properties similar to the element existing in that particular group, he left the gap and placed that element in another column where the elements with similar properties comes together. Merits or achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev was the first to introduce the groups and periods just now we discussed. So, a few important achievements of the Mendeleev periodic tables are as follows. Number 1, systematic study of the elements. As Mendeleev for the first time arranged a very large number of elements in groups and periods, this made the study of the elements quite systematic in the sense that if the properties of one element of a particular group are known, the other elements properties of the same group can be very well predicted. Next big achievement of Mendeleev periodic law, he predicted the existence of some elements that had not been discovered at that time. Children, just now we discussed while arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic masses, he emphasized on the similar chemical properties and left few gaps such as below boron, he left the gap and he named that gap as Eka boron. Below aluminium, he left a gap and named that gap as a Eka aluminium, and below silicon, Eka silicon. He has not only left that gap, but he said in future the elements are going to be discovered to fill these gaps. And later on, in place of Eka boron, the new element discovered was scandium, which got the place of Eka boron. Below aluminium, he left the gap Eka aluminium, and the elements discovered was gallium. And for Eka silicon, the element discovered was germanium. Children, Mendeleev not only predicted the name of undiscovered element, but he predicted the properties of several undiscovered elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. And later on, when these elements were discovered, got almost the same properties as predicted by the Mendeleev. Here, for example, he predicted the properties of Eka silicon, and the new elements which discovered and got the position of Eka silicon is germanium. The properties predicted by Mendeleev and actual properties of germanium is given in this table. Atomic mass 72, germanium 72.5, density Eka silicon 5.5, germanium 5.35, valency Eka silicon 4, germanium 4, melting point Eka silicon as predicted by Mendeleev high, here germanium as well 37.4 degrees Celsius, which is very high. Color predicted by Mendeleev dark gray, and here gray white. Oxide formula ESO2, and germanium oxide is GeO2. So in this way you can see, children, here the properties of germanium which discovered later on was almost as predicted by Mendeleev. Fourth achievement, that is correction of doubtful atomic masses. Mendeleev also corrected the atomic masses of certain elements with the help of their expected positions and properties. For example, the element beryllium had been assigned atomic mass 13.5 U, and the corrected atomic mass of beryllium is 9. So, Mendeleev has corrected certain atomic masses based on the positions and properties of that particular element. Mendeleev's periodic table could accommodate noble gases when they were discovered. Children, the noble gases were discovered very late because of they are very unreactive and present extremely low concentration in the nature. So when the noble gases discovered very late, they got the position without any disturbance in the Mendeleev periodic table.
Limitations, demerits, or defects in Mendeleev periodic table. Children, no doubts, Mendeleev periodic table is very much helped in arranging the elements in groups and periods in the periodic table. But still, it has certain demerits or defects, or we can say drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table. Number one, related to the position of hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom with its atomic number 1 is placed in group 1 along with the alkali metals because in many of its properties hydrogen resembles alkali metals. For example, both hydrogen and alkali metals can combine with oxygen, chlorine or sulfur to form the compounds with the same molecular formula as Na2O. Hydrogen also form H2O. Sodium form NaCl, hydrogen as well form HCl. Likewise, sodium with sulfur can form Na2S, hydrogen as well form hydrogen sulfide H2S. But at the same time, children, hydrogen in many of its property resemble with halogen of group 7A. Both halogens as well as hydrogen can form covalent bond with non-metals. For example, chlorine can combine with carbon to form CCl4, that is a carbon tetrachloride. Hydrogen as well combine with carbon to form CH4, and both the compounds are covalent in nature. Second demerits in the Mendeleev periodic table is related to the anomalous positions of certain elements. Children, even though the Mendeleev periodic table elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, but in certain cases, this increasing order of atomic masses were ignored. For example, in the pair of cobalt and nickel, cobalt with atomic mass 58.9 is placed before nickel whose atomic mass is 58.7. The same way between argon and potassium. The atomic mass of argon is 39.9 is placed before potassium whose atomic mass is 39.1. Third demerit related to the position of isotopes. Children, as we know the isotopes are the elements with same atomic number but different mass number. That means the isotopes must get different position in the periodic table because of they have different mass numbers. But Mendeleev in his periodic table placed all the isotopes in one positions. For example, the three isotopes of hydrogen with atomic masses 1, 2 and 3 are placed in position in one position. Likewise, the two isotopes of chlorine with atomic number 17 and mass number 35 and 37 were placed in one positions. So he has not given separate position for the isotope. That is one of its big demerit. Next demerits, different positions for similar elements. Children, copper and mercury both have same common properties, but they are separated in the Mendeleev periodic table. Copper is placed in group 1b along with silver gold, whereas mercury is placed in group 2b. Last demerits in the Mendeleev periodic table, cause of periodicity. He well explained when the elements were arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses, elements with similar properties repeated at regular interval, and he has called this one as a periodicity in the elements. But when the co-scientists raised the questions, what is the reason for the periodicity in the properties of elements, he had no proper explanation for this question.